What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a random thoughts. And palagi kong iniisip ito. And I want to share it with you guys. The system wasn't built for you to win. The system trained you to raise your hand, to wait for your turn and follow instructions. The system taught you to work for money, not money work for you. The system creates many employee or the system creates more employee. But once you see it here, you can never unsee it. That's when you realize freedom was never going to be handed to you. You must have to build it. You have to build it. You move deeper in when you know that system was never designed to serve you. It was designed to use you. And then you get a job, pay taxes. If you work for money, you give the power to your employer. But if money works for you, you keep the power and control it. Small private victories lead public success. Remember that. So, how to counter this system? If everyone asking, simple. Build assets, invest real estate. So the difference between assets and liabilities: assets puts money in my pocket, liabilities takes money out of my pocket. So wala to guys, pasin ako. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.